Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty, how they perform today and how they might perform tomorrow. And I'm going to give you one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that would be on 12th of October, friends. Coming to our previous video where I gave you NTPC for a buy, I told you that we can buy NTPC above this particular breakout, which never happened. Anyways, if anyone would have bought it at this breakout, yes, target achieved, a small target. Of course, if they waited for that target, no, that did not come. It continuously fell down and closed at almost its day low. View about NTPC now. We see something called a wedge pattern here, a descending wedge or a descending channel pattern, friends. The possibility of a breakout upwards is very high for such a pattern. Okay, so we can say that entry was not triggered, and if in case someone entered, like I said, the aggressive traders might have entered, they would have booked their loss, friends. Coming to our sell stock, which was Bajaj Auto, I told you to sell below this particular trend line. What happened is it went ahead and touched this trend line here. Where did it touch? The time was around 10:55. You can see the time here. Okay, 11:05, sorry. And on our telegram, that is when at 11:08 is when I gave a sell position on this particular stock, and Bajaj Auto went to its target at around 1447, friends, that is 247, somewhere here. Okay, that was the target given and it was achieved. Coming to analysis for the stock for tomorrow, simple, friends. Now see, this particular trend line is clearly broken and retested, followed by a good downfall. Now we expect a little more fall here because Nifty and Bank Nifty closed below at all-time low, or the day low is what we can call it, but the stock closed little above that. So if you look at it, there is a trend line like this. Okay, this trend line can be tested. Okay, as soon as this trend line is tested is when it will continue its journey upwards, friends. First target would be this level, which is eventually the trend line as well. Let me draw it and show it to you. See, so this trend line, it will take some time and ideally should touch this trend line at this particular point, friends. When will we create buy positions in NTPC? We would have to wait for a breakout. Where is the breakout? The breakout is at these levels, friends. Here at 3570, above which is what we can create buy positions. Aggressive buyers can go ahead and create buy positions at this levels, somewhere at 3550-ish, but safe buyer should be buying above this levels. Another place where we can sell this particular stock using Fibo. Simple, friends. We'll draw Fibo from top to the bottom. See, these are the two levels where we can create sell positions based on the candles that are formed there, friends. If we see any bullishness or any reversal patterns here or here, any kind of bearishness, we can go ahead and sell. What are the levels? These levels are 3549, 3550 and 3537. These are the levels where you can sell for target of this bottom followed by this particular bottom, friends. Yeah, here there was a double bottom, or I can say a multiple bottom. Okay, so this would be the ultimate target somewhere here, friends, which is how much? Just 3471. 3470 could be the levels, friends. Coming to analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you would not miss out on any video or any update that I am posting, friends. So Nifty, friends, it started sideways followed by a downward momentum. Okay, and after this particular downward momentum there was a pattern called inverted head and shoulder pattern. Okay, it also gave a clear cut breakout like this, followed by a retest at this candle. Now how much is the target? The target is simple. I'll draw it for you. From this till the bottom, this is the target, and that's how much was the target that was made, friends, approximately, little here and there. Okay, now when it reached the target, what happened? This particular line acted like a resistance. Okay, and it pushed it downwards. Let me delete all this so that, okay, let me keep it like that. Now it started going down and gave something called a breakdown here on this candle. Okay, which is 1220 candle, friends. This is where a breakdown was triggered. Okay, after which this levels where there were multiple touches, okay, was also broken. This is a breakdown of levels followed by a retest. It broke this followed by a retest, and this is where a short can be easily triggered with a small stop loss for a 1:2 or even bigger target, friends. This is simple concept of something called support and resistance. When a support level is broken, it acts like a resistance. Okay, so the support level which I am drawing, I have drawn here, broke, and that acted like a resistance, and Nifty fell down, friends. Coming to analysis for Bank Nifty, something similar. Note, friends, this is on 1 minute that I am analyzing. Don't get confused that I am analyzing so many candles. That's because it is on 1 minute. Now Bank Nifty gave a simple head and shoulder pattern just like we discussed in Nifty, followed by a breakout here. It created a confusion in this area. Okay, it kicked all the buyers out who were here, had their stop losses here. It created this confusion and then gave a breakout. After the breakout, there was a clear retest. Okay, as soon as the retest was done, how much is the target? Simple. This was the head and shoulder pattern from here to here. So the target would be from here to here, met its target. What happened at the target? Simple, resistance, resistance, and resistance. So it has to go down. From there, when it started falling down, simple, again, similar story, breakdown. Okay, trend line breakdown followed by level breakdown. See, this is a support zone. Okay, this entire area was a support zone. It was attempting to go below it, but it was not able to go. That was broken, followed by retest. Now what will happen next? The answer is simple. After that it will fall, and it fell as we expected it to fall, friends. Now analysis for Bank Nifty and Nifty for tomorrow, friends. Simple. We are kind of bearish. We are not bullish yet. When would we be bullish? Now for this I'll give you two scenarios, friends. One for buy and one for sell. Let's analyze it for Nifty first. See, Nifty has got these targets. This is a gap filling area where it is right now. Okay, so simple, this is an achievable target which will be achieved very soon. This target we don't know. Now if there is strong momentum after this target, we can go till here, but this is an achievable target, friends. When will we sell? We will sell as soon as it crosses this line, this level, and starts moving downwards, or we can create sell positions at Fibonacci levels from the recent top to the recent bottom. So at this and this levels, 38.2 levels and 23.6 levels is what we can sell. Where are the levels? 17,046 and 17,010. These are the levels where we can create sell position for this and this target. First target would be this. We'll trail our stop losses for a ultimate target of this area, for instance. When will we create a buy position? Very good question. For that, let me delete all this. See, this is an important trend line, friends. Now, if Nifty does some kind of time pass here and then gives us a breakout here, followed by a retest, that's when we will create buy positions. Aggressive buyers should not be creating buy position before this trend line also, friends. Now, if you want to locate another trend line for a buy, this is a very steep trend line that I am drawing. Not suggested to go by this trend line for unless you are aggressive traders and you know how to exit at the proper stop losses, friends. This is when we would be creating buy position. Bank Nifty, my favorite. I do analysis of Bank Nifty on 1 minute, but yes, we are moving to 15 minutes in this particular case. What do you see in Bank Nifty? Let me delete all this. See, if I draw a Fibo from the top to the bottom, okay, it has taken its rejection exactly at 50% and it's coming down, friends. Now, let me also draw a simple trend line. Okay, look at this trend line. Okay, there is a breakdown which is triggered. Now let me show you something even more interesting. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, followed by right shoulder and a breakdown. We have stopped at this levels. See, look at the level. This is exactly level where there was support 3 different times, 1, 2 and 3. Usually 4th or 5th attempt is when it will start going downwards, friends. So there might be some kind of retracement here. I'm not expecting huge retracements, but yes, we can use Fibo there. There will be retracement till these levels or this levels, which is 38,900 and 39,000, friends. At these levels is when we'll short, and our head and shoulder pattern will give us very good profits there. When will we create a buy position? Let me delete all this. For buy position, look at this trend line, friends. Important trend line. Okay, why am I saying important? Because this trend line is like from almost the top, and exactly that is where we are seeing multiple rejections. Break of this trend line gives us a very good opportunity on buy side. Will it happen today? Tomorrow? Not 100% sure, but as soon as this important trend line is broken, let me darken it for you. We can create buy positions for a very good target, friends. Okay, I hope you understood the logic on when to buy on Nifty and when to sell on Nifty, when to buy on Bank Nifty, when to sell on Bank Nifty. And our buy stock for tomorrow would be Sun Pharma. Reason is simple, friends. You can see Nifty, Bank Nifty closed at their day low. However, Sun Pharma did not do that. It was much above, or it did not go below its day low. What do we see? We see this trend line. The break of this trend line can be our buy. And more important, what do we see? We see this as a pattern, friends. This is called a descending triangle pattern, wherein the breakout will give us at least this targets. What are the levels? Levels of breakout are 940, 647. We can initiate the buy position here itself, where we are currently for aggressive traders. Safe traders can wait for the breakout, and target would be, first target would be 952 and final target would be 954. It can go further up depending on your risk to reward ratios, what you should select your targets, friends. Coming to sell stock for today, which would be Tata Motors. Why? Simple. You see the way it has closed. It has closed at a very big low. This is something that was not expected in a stock like Tata Motors. However, if you look at 1 hour chart also, you don't see any levels which are below this, friends. So there is hardly any target that we can give for Tata Motors. How would we create sell positions? We'll come back to 5 minutes chart. See, we will create something called Fibo here from recent top to the bottom, and we can sell at any of these levels, which is 389 or 390, friends. These are the places where we can create sell position. Or if it is going right below this level in the opening itself, we can create sell position and keep a stop loss of 1 or 2 rupees, and accordingly target of 1 is to 1.5 friends. This is how we can create sell position in Tata Motors, and that would be our sell stock for today friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it is little too long, but if you did like, please give a like and also share it with your friends and family members. And those who have come to the channel for the first time, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you would not miss out on any updates that I'm giving you on this channel friends. Also make a note of the Telegram channel which is at the bottom. You have seen what kind of trades we have given and how they have performed. Even there was a trade on Bank Nifty friends. See, exactly I gave you the trade here. What we discussed is what I gave you. Okay, this was the breakout, and from here this inverted head and shoulder has given its full profit friends. I hope you understood the logic though, and thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Wish you a profitable tomorrow friends.